Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can mirror a video in CapCut. So here I've already imported a clips, and to mirror the video, you can just click on the clips and in here swipe until you find edit. Okay, so just click on that and you'll find the mirror feature on CapCut. Click on that and your video will be automatically mirrored in CapCut like this, and you can just go back and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's a simple tutorial on how you can mirror a video in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful, please click on the thanks below, leave a comment, and click on the thumbs up icon, subscribe our channel, and see you at the following tutorial. Bye.